I just add my template from there. So I can decide to add different templates. I want the introduction, I want the conclusion, import them. So they are now inside your storyboard, and you can have the more junior ID filling in the blanks from that point on.
I love it. I really like it. It's just, maybe it's just me that I'm quite an organized person. So I like, a place for everything and everything in its place. And what you've done is you've put everything together in one place, but made it easy to move it around and drag and drop. And so you're encouraging communication and collaboration. Love it.
I've never seen her be this happy before. This is good.
No, I like things like this.